Good morning to our Villa Ballada family. This is Frank Lambert of Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and it's Saturday, April 5th, 2025. Lots of things have been happening in the last month or so. The biggest thing is the glass and windows have arrived. And if you look up here, you can see in this third of the building, the first two floors windows are in, with the fourth and fifth floor to come. And then as you look across here, you'll see more windows in the middle section, and then all the scaffolding up on the south end of the building for that third of the building. So that's now being stuccoed and the glass being installed there. The glass being installed is the key to the whole building. Once the glass is in, we can drywall. Once we drywall, we can do our finishes. So it's moving along nicely now. The windows have finally arrived. So we're just going to look at this for a second, and then we're going to take another walk around the building and see what's going on in the back. But also, before we go to the rear of the building, we're going to go inside the building because we've started drywall in several of the units. So we'll take a peek at that too, just to let you know that very important process is now underway. So we're well on our way. It's been a great 3 or 4 weeks, and we'll stop right here and we'll check back with you in a second with drywall. Okay, we're back again, this time in Unit 210, which is on the east side of the building. And as Kaylee walks in here with the camera, you'll start to see drywall on the walls, which will start defining the spaces. This particular one doesn't have the drywall started on the ceiling, but we'll go into another unit next for that. But this shows you that they're in the final installing of the glass procedure. Drywall started on the walls. They also hang the ceilings first usually. I think they were trying to get their certain spaces started in here. But it gives you an idea that drywall is finally here and coming along. So we'll pan through this one for a minute, and then we'll go in one that has all the ceiling drywall hung, and you can see what that looks like. Not really a whole lot to look at, but at least shows you drywall has started, and that's a big deal. So cabinets are already being made for all the units. All the interior doors are here on site. The tile floors are here on site. So this is, you will see big changes by the time we do another video in about 30 days. We are back. This time we are now in Unit 204 on the sunset side of the building, the west side of the building. Kaylee has her camera looking into the master bedroom, which you can see the ceiling drywall is hung, and they've started drywalling on the walls, which then now makes you get a more of a feeling of rooms. Of course, it'll be better when it's all drywalled, and our next video will not only have the drywall finished and prime painted, you'll probably start seeing doors being hung and trim being installed. So this is the best time of the job, and it's fun to see it come to life. So we'll just do a quick shot through here, and Kaylee will walk out and show the ceilings here being hung, and then we'll be off to the rear of the building to see the progress on that side. Okay, one more stop today and we'll be finished, but this is one of the most important views. If you look up at the building, the whole rear of the building now is stuccoed and painted, even including the side of the 3-bedroom stack on the right-hand side of the picture. But you can even see on the back of the building that windows have been installed all the way up to the top floor. That white tape on the outside of the windows looks like the windows are white, but they're not. They're bronze, and they'll mix in with the bronze glass once that protective tape is removed. So when you see white tape on the windows, it's only temporary. Good news is that whole third of the building, all the windows are in. They're doing the middle third now, and they're finalizing the 3-bedroom stack. But this is huge progress, and this means once that scaffolding comes down, it's all painted and stuccoed, there will be really no more work on the back of the building. So thanks for listening today. We're more excited than ever, and in another 30 days we'll give you another update.